This year, we announced in the beginning of the year, in our annual borrowing plan, that we have a very comfortable position in terms of the funding needs. We already raised money to pay more than 1 year in external debt, and in the domestic debt we have a very good position in our cash position. The idea is to be conservative this year, because in the beginning of the year we still needed to make some adjustments, and we believe that the price was very high, and now we believe that the costs will decrease along of the year, but the idea is to be conservative. But the idea is to continue accessing the external debt, but we prefer to wait the best time to avoid to pay extra cost. We have a long agenda. Since the beginning of the year, the Brazilian government announced 7 measures to put on track, to go back on track the Brazilian economy. The first measures is to reinforce the commitment with the fiscal policy. We needed to make adjustment because we finished the cycle, the commodity cycle, and we needed to make a very strong adjustment in the fiscal policy. But it's not only the fiscal policy, the strategy. The strategy is to put on track the fundamentals of the economy in terms of the alignment of the exchange rates, the prices. The price is very important to recover the investment, to recover the confidence of the investors and the consumers, and we have additional agendas in terms of the competitiveness. We needed to improve the competitiveness of the country in terms of innovation, education, and we have the other agenda, the micro agenda. The micro agenda, we needed to simplify our tax system. We still have a complex tax system in Brazil, and we needed to simplify, and we needed to use more the capital market to finance the economy, to finance the Brazilian economy. Then we have a very strong agenda to stimulate the capital market in Brazil to raise enough money to invest in the economy. The Congress, the seminar, I think this Congress is very good because we have all kinds of participants of the market. We have the investor, we have the government, we have the corporate side, we have the banks, the DCMs. Then it creates a very good environment to discuss new ideas to develop the Brazilian capital market. It's very important because one of the priorities of the agenda of the government is to try to stimulate the corporate market in Brazil, which is still small in Brazil, and we need to stimulate this. Even because, as I said earlier, we needed to stimulate the market to finance the Brazilian economy, to finance the concession program in Brazil. Then this kind of discussion, this kind of environment helps a lot the government to advance in the agenda of the capital markets. The main message that we gave in the presentation is the total commitment of the Brazilian government with the adjustment in the economy. As I said earlier, we finished the commodity cycle, and we need to make adjustments to recover the confidence of the investors and the consumers to grow again. The main problem of the Brazilian economy nowadays is the growth. We need to create conditions to recover the potential, to achieve the potential growth.